sit on the block. Yeah, one.
Yeah, that's wrong.
I know y'all some hoes. Get what, man? I'm fucking y'all hoes. 30,000. You tell me
Got my fucking car 98.
I don't rap. I'm like other niggas, I don't rap. We got to rap.
It's like right, I shot like right fucking above it.
Play with niggas, you pretend on. My dick better eat a man. Whether shoot a good girl be home when my niggas shoot it out in the open. Extendo on me, be
Did you get any of me?
Counted up and spin it, I be getting that shit and I should. Turning up in the club off a back end, yeah, back end. Flex in the club with the back end, yeah, back end. This turned up in the back end, yeah.
Let's go, YouTube.
I went for my birthday. I should like stay the night here July 10th and then wake up for my birthday.
What's up, YouTube? Little update. Josh shot me with the BB gun. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. For real. But like that John hurt, bro. I can't lie. It really hurted. What are you laughing at?
You?
How we all doing? Anyways, I think next we're gonna get some food, some chill, some slight. Oh, someone has it. Do you have fun, Joel?
Yeah.
How fun? Why do you look like that?
Like
Do you have
6.5 out of 10 fun.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
In the GMB, Ghetto and Blues from the refugee camp.
Maria, Maria, she remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem, she living a life just like a movie star.
Dude, I can't. I can't, bro. Stop waving at people, bro. Oh my god. That's so funny because I'm doing it right now. Of us watching a YouTube clip of us watching the YouTube clip. You know what I mean? I have no idea.
Let me show the vlog. Those dumplings are so good. My dumplings.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we still riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strapped, we keep our weapons. My mama from the 8, she slowed it down for me at 7. Used to think Pepsi was a guy before he went to heaven. I knew what pushing P was before Gunna even said it. Hey, she zero taught me keep my weapon and never trust a nigga or a bitch.
I don't know how you turn this motherfucker around. But that's the waterfall. What's up, YouTube? I'm on a mountain. Don't know why. They got me in Texas again. We're in Wichita Falls right now. We're going to Fort Worth tomorrow to see Kason. What's up, YouTube? We're in Fort Worth.
What up, vlog? My name's Kaysen. I am Seth's favorite cousin. I'm a junior at Abilene Christian University, and right now, me and me and Sethy Poo are going to buy some firework explosives with a child.
What?
We're going to buy some firework explosives with a child.
How old is this kid?
12. And,
that's great.
No, it's my neighbor. We know him very well. He's a good family friend, but he wants to buy some with us. And we're about 45 minutes late, I'm not gonna lie. His mom left him there. And
that's good.
Yeah, so.
Okay. I'm gonna end it right here, alright?
Okay, bye, chat.
Bye-bye.
Seth is kind of obsessed with MK.
I just want you to be normal.
Okay.
Okay, that works.
Hey, what up, YouTube family? You may be wondering who I am. Well, my name is Kaysen. I'm one of Seth's. I'm actually Seth's favorite cousin, and I'm just honored today to be able to do the outro for this video. I just want to thank you so much for watching. You could be anywhere. You could be making a sandwich. You could be at the Hawaiian Poke Shop. You could be Joel getting some crack right now. One thing I know for sure is we are thankful that you have chosen to watch this video today. Hope you have a great day. On behalf of Landon, Seth, Joel, Shockley, Wesley, and Paul the cat, I just want to thank you so much for taking the time. Signing off, we'll see you back real soon. God bless the great state of Florida and Ron DeSantis, the next president of the United States.
Perfect.